Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Tech and Voices. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your name in your Free Fire's account. Keep watching the video till the end. Free Fire is a world famous survival shooter game available on mobile. Each 10 minutes the game places you on a remote island where you are pit against all 49 players seeking for survival. Players freely choose their starting points in parachute and aim to stay in safe zone for as long as possible. Drive vehicles to explore the vast map, hide in the wild, or become invisible by proning under grass or drift. Ambush, snipe, survive. There is only one goal: to survive and answer the call of duty. Along the way, go for legendary airdrops while avoiding airstrikes to gain that little edge against other players. A Free Fire is a game which is easy to use controls and consists of smooth graphics, promises the optimum survival experience you will find on the mobile to help you immortalize your name among the legends. To change your name in a Free Fire's account, you need to log into your Free Fire's account. To log into a Free Fire's account, firstly you need to download the Free Fire application on your Android device. In order to download Free Fire application on your Android device, go ahead and open your Play Store. Click on the search button at the bottom right corner of the page. Tap on the search bar and type in Free Fire and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on the application. Now click on the install button to start the downloading process. While downloading an application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. Once the application is downloaded, tap on the play button to launch the application. Open the application and the home page of Free Fire application will appear on the screen. From the home page, click on More option. Once you do that, on the next page, tap on the option that says Login with Google. You can also log in with Free Fire's account with your UK ID or Twitter as well. In case if you want to log in to your Free Fire's account with your UK ID or Threads, click on the option that says sign in with your UK ID or sign in with Twitter. Once you do that, you will be logged into your Google's account. Once you are logged in, the official home page of Free Fire application will appear on the screen. Tap on your profile at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, click on the little gear icon. Tap on the edit option next to your name. Enter the name that you prefer and click on confirm option. Once you do that, the name will be changed to the name that you prefer. That is how you will be able to change your name in Free Fire's account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more contents and tutorials on the upcoming videos for your convenience. Please do press on the bell icon to receive all the notifications regarding videos and uploads on this channel. Thank you so much for watching.